back to the Dram Diaries. Peter and Chanel, this is our what?
Round 2
Yeah.
of our 90 proof rye throwdown.
Yes. Yeah. Well, thank you, Chanel.
You're welcome, Peter.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Oh my goodness. I love A. At least I love the nose on A.
That's...
Oh, it's heavenly. It's like powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar and lemon zest.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
It smells like a yummy lemon cookie.
Lovely.
Wow, that's a very bright, citrusy rye. For some reason, it reminds me of a gin.
Interesting.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's the citrus in it, probably, huh?
Probably, yeah.
That's
That's pleasant. That's refreshing. That tastes refreshing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's actually, it almost feels effervescent. Like there's.
It does.
And obviously there's no bubbles in it, but it almost tastes like.
Are you sure there's no bubbles in it?
Oh my goodness.
Tell your husband to shut up. He's embarrassing himself. Yeah, that's... Wow. That's like sitting outside on a spring day. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, B. What? I'm getting some type of nut, almost.
Yeah.
That's weird. Dirty cola.
Yeah, that is dirty, huh?
Dirty mushroom cola.
It's It's bolder than A, but it is dirty. Yeah.
It is. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, I'm going to put in the description what's in all these glasses, so you know what we're sipping on. Let me know, do you like it when I do that, or would you rather just be in suspense until the reveal at the end? That... Okay.
Man, is this C? C is dark.
It is. C and D both got some color on them, but especially C, man, that's...
Oh my goodness, that's so nice. Ugh, that's a dessert.
That...
Ugh, gosh, okay.
It smells buttery to me.
It does.
Like...
Do you get any chocolate?
Yes.
Me too. Oh man, okay.
Man, that's nice. Whatever that is.
There is no spice on that palette. There is zero spice.
Wow.
There's not.
There's cola. And chocolate biscuits. I do get a little bit of like white peppery spice on the finish. Huh. I'm not sure what to make of that, honestly.
Sugary on the nose.
Yeah.
Chocolatey on the nose, but the palette was not.
The nose kind of was better than the palette, I feel like.
The nose had me.
Yeah.
Thinking I was like geared up for something. All right.
Okay. Here we go. D. That smells like cotton candy.
Oh my gosh. It does.
Whew, that is nice. Man.
Wow.
It's like those cotton candy grapes.
What?
I don't know, I was thinking you're just like, shut up.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
No, it would not.
You know better than say that to me.
Okay.
Okay.
What did you think of the palette?
The finish is kind of funky to me.
Okay. Yeah.
Very bitter and drying and tannic. What did you think of it?
At first, it's really sweet.
It is. I gotta do one more sip.
But it's It's not super remarkable.
So the first round of these, like the 4 we did previously, like first place just jumped out to me. I feel like this.
Yeah, I'm
not
having a
as
hard
sure.
time. I know what one I will put in first place.
Oh, you do? Okay.
But it's
I feel like
not something I might not. I don't know that I would buy it again.
if
So
it's
I
first place, you're buying it. No. Yeah, I know. Man, this one's potent. D is potent, whatever it is on the nose. Like nutty cola.
Gotta figure out between these two what I'm gonna do here.
Okay. All right.
I like the nose on that. It's a shame it's not that.
Yeah. I think I got my ranking. Oh, man, the nose is so good on C. It's so
I know
buttered
that
and
it's so good. The nose is amazing, but it's just
like buttered oak, vanilla, hot buttered oak biscuits.
okay.
I think I've got my ranking, honestly.
So, oops.
Come on, you're embarrassing me.
Well, that's just
Camera.
too bad.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, 4th place in Y.
B. It's gross.
Okay. Enough said.
Yeah.
I agree.
Okay.
That was my 4th as well. So, all right. What is B? Oh, it's one of these. Redwood Empire Lost Monarch, 90 proof, $45. I have said many times that I am not a fan of Redwood Empire. Their cask strength stuff, quite a bit better, but
Yeah.
not worth the $80. That was nasty.
It was gross. It was really gross.
Dirty mushroom. Maybe they got some like duff from the redwood forest floor and like threw it in there. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, what was your 3rd place?
D.
Oh, mine too.
Really?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Your turn.
Okay.
That's A. Don't you do that one. Do this one.
Okay.
It's D. I don't know. The nose felt like it's so much better, you know?
Burnside.
Oh. Oregon Oaked Rye.
$35.
92 proof. Okay, Burnside. So it's a sourced rye. And then I think they age it in bourbon, their bourbon barrels, and then they finish it in Oregon Oak barrels. That's why it's darker. Yeah, you know, the nose was way better than, yeah. Wow, okay. Number 2.
C.
Me too.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yay.
Okay. I'll do number 2.
Okay.
You do number 1.
Okay.
Number 2, Michter single barrel rye, $45, 84.8 proof. Man, it's funny. Kyle and Britton and I did a blind over Zoom during COVID, like with the different Michters, and we had their double oaked bourbon, the rye, the regular bourbon, and then the American whiskey, and that beat everything.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, even the double oak, which is like a $200 bottle.
Oh, yeah.
It's crazy, yeah. Okay, first place.
So, first place is A.
Whoa.
Is that right?
Yeah,
First place
that's
is
right.
A?
Yeah,
Okay.
Redwood Empire, Emerald Giant. Okay,
$45.
there you go. I ate my
90 proof.
words. I said I didn't care for Redwood Empire. That took first place. Okay. Well, there you go. Let us know if you've done this. We're going to do, the winner from this and the winner of last time. We're going to put them up against each other in the next video. And we're going to see what's the best of the best. Okay, stay tuned.